So, are you making the best use of generative AI? Hi, this is Dr. Stephen Kirch of Profit Minds, and we help small businesses grow profits, improve productivity, and build scale, all by leveraging AI. And today I want to talk about the proper use of AI. I was in a mastermind this morning where we were talking about how do you think about AI and how do you use it most effectively. One of the analogies that I often use is that AI is like a very patient, untiring intern. And what I mean by that is that somebody that you can ask to do the same task over and over and over again, and they're never going to complain. They'll always happily do whatever it is that you ask them to do. But the leader of the mastermind has a slightly different, and I think as AI improves, we need to rethink how we're thinking about AI and how we utilize it. And because the output that you can get, particularly if you use a deep research, is not just sort of any college intern, but PhD level research that these tools can do for you. But what's most important is that you use AI as a thinking partner, not as somebody who can provide you with the answer. And most particularly, you want to make sure that if you're having it create like an email for you, that it speaks with your voice. Because if it doesn't, it comes off like AI speak. People can feel it. People can sense it. So it's really important that whatever output you get out of AI, that you really make sure that it mimics your voice. It speaks with your voice, the way you would say it. Yeah, it's great at generating ideas, but the final word needs to be yours. So if you want to talk about this more, I'd love to have a chat. The link is below. Thanks, and have a grateful day.